Good morning! So nandito ako ngayon sa isa sa mga hawak namin ng mga warehouses dito sa Bulacan. Sa development na to, may tatlong available na warehouses. So bago sila, so ang target turnover be by March of 2024. So ito yung paligid, if you can see. So talagang new development siya dito. So ito yung malaking warehouse. So this is around 2,000 square meters. So yung tatlo na bakante dito, isang approximately 1,200. We have a 2,000 square meters. Tapos meron din 1,500 square meters na warehouse. So ang turnover nito talagang brand new. So this is a steel warehouse, steel structure. Maganda yung location niya. Madali lang tuntunin. If you want to personally visit this, let us know. And hope we can help you with your requirements. God bless!